tambakan. Kumbaga, 25-13 was a score there in the third set. And that, I'm sure, as far as Coach Simon is concerned, was unacceptable.
Yes.
Dindin starts things off with a bang.
And that's why your blockers have to be active. Tapos, kailangan yung coverage mo, naka-down ka na. Look at this. AC sets it to Manabat, running hit. Late na naman yung middle blocker ng Signal. Clemente has to be able to read who's going to be hitting the ball.
Masangkay with the serve. They look for Segodine. And a violation will be called here on Petron. We're tied at 1.
Morada hit the net there.
Let's check it with Apple.
Ang gusto ng Petron sa set na to, makalayo na agad sila ng maaga. Hindi dahil gusto na nilang umuwi, pero dahil gusto nilang bigyan ng chance makalaro ang iba nilang mga players. Dagdag ni Coach, huwag na i-revive ang moral ng Signal dahil baka pag nabuhayan, sila pa ang mahirapan. Balik sa inyo.
Tama talaga yun. You never want to give a wounded Tiger any chance to recover.
Si Tunay at that time, she tried to go over the blockers of Petron. Kaya lang sa sobrang over, nag-long yung ball niya.
Doon sa kabilang panay para sa Signal, itong si Rica, Jane, and Clona ay pumasok na para tumulong doing the chores as their libero. That time, Navarro now with a good reception.
Itong Petron, pag nakita mo sila, no, parang they're just really having fun already.
Pero yun nga ngayon, pinagbubutihin nila. Hindi lang para nga makauwi na maaga, pero para yung mga players na naglalaro ngayon, makapagpahinga.
Oo, siguro battle cry nila for the other players.
Tama. At yun din ang gusto mangyari ng mga ibang players, di ba? Para sila naman yung makapasok sa court.
Oo, kasi syempre, if you're a player, you want game time.
Exactly. At this stage, tinutulungan naman sila dito ng Signal with poor receptions.
All they need really is one good first ball.
Parang sa araw na to, easier said than done.
Oo nga.
At ngayon, pati si Jack Junela na bumalik, nahihirapan na rin sa kanyang reception.
Alam mo kasi, ang galing din ng services din ni Dindin Manabat. It's strong. Sometimes it's a floater. Most of the time, it's strong and it's so difficult to receive.
Watch it here once again.
Okay, yun nga another first ball error there from Navarro. Picar tried to save that ball. She tipped it over, kaya lang sa sobrang bilis ng momentum ng bola, nag-outside din. So Manabat is still on the service line.
She has been serving there since yesterday.
Last
exactly. Grabe, ito na naman.
Sige, tulog muna tayo.
At yung mga bench players sila, ano sinasabi? Parang makalaro kami.
Oo, pawisan naman kami dito. Sayang uniform.
Kanina pa sila pinagpapawisan pero puro warm-up lang, in between sets. Manabat trying to get to the technical timeout. Much better reception that time, but still, it's going to be a free ball. And that will score once again.
Wake up.
Which is very surprising. And we were talking about that during the break. Na parang nabibigla nga tayo na dapat na ganadong-ganado itong Signal because they did win one set already here. And that is a mortal sin.
Ito kanina pa nila ginagawa yun just watching the ball fall on the ground. You have to follow the ball to make sure outside nga ba siya talaga o hindi.
Dindin Manabat, sumasakit na yung kanyang balikat sa kakaserve.
Oo nga.
I've never served this many times straight in my life. They go to Panaga. She's dogged by Manabat. Molinas is going to send that over. Ito, pagkakataon ng Signal. Yes, and Segodine will score.
So Segodine is saying, come on, let's go. Wake up. So hopefully, Tunay gets this ball over and they set up a play.
Let's see what the Energizer Bunny can bring here to Signal dito sa Alonte Sports Arena.
Good serve there.
Mela Tunay Poor reception there by Manabat.
Good hit there by Panaga. It wasn't that strong, but Petron wasn't prepared for that kind of a hit.
Tunay serving again. The team still down by 6.
Good serve there by Tunay again.
Panaga with a power tip.
Ayan, now yung momentum nila, no, talagang waking up. Let's look at this again. Tikar sets that ball to Panaga, a good middle hitter, and she does it for Signal.
Eh, sinasabi ng mga bench warmers na pito, ano ba naman?
Oh, muuntik
Nagsistretching na
na
kami. Ready na kami pumasok eh.
Kala namin.
Pwede pa daw, sabi ni Molina. Relax lang kayo.
Oh, sabi niya, ganun ba? Sige, oh, eto.
Para sila na rin daw makapagpahinga. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
The blockers of Signal are a tad late. A second late lang. Kailangan kasi talaga on time eh.
Vivas blocked. Kept alive. Free ball here. Who did they go to? Maraño.
Maraño hits that ball, zones in to zone 6, and easily gets that point.
The lead is again ballooned back up to 7.
Good floater there.
Seguidine goes down the line.
And there's a touch called by the referee. So point goes to Signal.
That didn't look like there was a touch. I think it actually came off the net.
Yeah, I thought so too, but well, the referee's right there. You can see it, so Call must be right.
Tama, mas malapit siya. Seguidine going down the line there with that serve. Sent over, wow!
That was an easy ball over by Jen Reyes, and still Signal was not prepared for it.
And that might have been Jen Reyes' first point of the tournament.
And the crowd loves it.
Yeah.
Serving number 13, team captain, Maika Morada.
Seguidine sends that almost all the way to the rafters.
Substitution here for Signal. Seguidine sits, Acheta comes back in, and Pomuceno is in for Tikar. Team captain, Maika Morada. Wow! What a service ace there, thanks to the net. Oh,
That's
ngayon
happened
lalakasan
2 or 3 times already.
Yeah, ngayon lalakasan na niya.
I was about to say, sobra naman lakas nun. Free ball coming up here para sa kupunan ng Petron. Maraño asks for it. She gets blocked. They go outside. Dakis also blocked. From the back. Dug there by Reyes. Check that. By Janela. And Janela trying to keep it alive. It is alive.
That was such a good rally. Napatayo ako doon with a marvelous save by Signal. I mean, they really did not want to have that ball land on their side of the court. But look at this. Dakis hits that ball. It gets saved. Goes over the net. But Petron sets it up to Maraño. Late na naman yung blockers ng Signal. Kaya nakalusot yung bola.
That Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. And this is one happy family for Petron. So far, lamang na sila ng 10. Dakis, dug by Janela. No.
Jack Janela with a face that says, come on, kaya natin to. So, 16 pa lang naman, pwede pa yan.
Serving number 13, team captain, Maika Morada.
Dakis blocked. Ancheta there with a good dig. Free ball para sa koponan ng Petron. Not really well executed. And Tunay sends that out.
Point goes to Petron Day Spikers. Still serving number 13, team captain Micah
Morada again.
Excellent block by the Petron Day Spikers.
Papasok si Agano. Ito na ang sinasabi nila, naku,
Second stringers.
makakapasok na yung kanilang mga ibang players. Seguidine comes right back in.
8 out, 14 in.
Team captain looking for the goal signal. If she can score. Dicar there, just double checking.
Serving team captain number 13, Micah
Morada. Powerful serve there.
Dicar gets that over. Push to the side, it stays in.
Smart play by Panaga. Nakita niya na nobody was in zone 5. Puts the ball in. So now we get si Coach George says, okay, some of the first 6 come out and rest. While in signal, Clemente takes a rest and Bravo comes in.
And serving for signal HD Spikers, number 6, Jeanette Panaga.
Panaga now to serve. Her team down by a bundle.
Yes. But if they can just put up the score, diba, it will be a boost already to their morale.
And now this might be their best opportunity with some players fresh off the bench. Vivas tries to get that over. Mishek was there. Maraño just gets that over.
Good save there by Maraño.
That's off the block, clearly.
Jeremy Vivas.
And Signal stays alive with a point.
Nakita mo, may mga pumasok ng mga bagong players and all of a sudden, yung chemistry
Oo.
na nakita natin sa Petron talaga nag-iba yun.
Oo.
Jeanette Panaga.
Let's see if Panaga and the rest of her teammates can take advantage.
That was overreaching.
Yun ang masakit because they actually, I think, might have had the advantage there in that particular rally.
7 out, 15 in.
Molina is out. Cayetano comes in.
And serving for Petron Day Spikers.
Crowd favorite Maraño serving for Petron.
Abigail Maraño.
Nice serve. Now it's going to be a free ball. Wow.
Armina Acano.
Masyadong nasa loob kasi si Vivas eh. She should have, medyo dapat nasa labas siya. She was too close to the blockers. That's why that ball was free to land and zone, in between zones 4 and 5.
Serving number 6 for Petron Day Spikers, Josa Cabalsa.
Josa Cabalsa now sees action for Petron. Alam mo,
Taking out Abby Maraño. Go ahead.
yeah, magaling din tong si Josa Cabalsa eh.
And how many times have we mentioned napaka-star-studded dito
Oo.
ng Petron.
Correct.
They go to Alexa. Alexa was there. Ouch.
Yung arm kasi ni Seguidine, she was far from the attack line. I mean, she was just right behind the attack line, far from the net. Masyado niyang binaba agad yung kamay niya, kaya nag-net yung ball.
Serving number 6.
Cabalsa with a serve again.
Cabalsa.
Dicar looking for Bravo. On the other side, Enclona with the touch. And the point once again para sa koponan ng Petron. And they are on cruise control at this stage.
Mina Aganon touching her hand na parang mali yata yung palo ko. But then again, it still earned them a point.
Josa Cabalsa.
There's a good block. Looking for Aganon once again. She's dug by Vivas. And Vivas will score.
Good hit there by Vivas. No blockers there for her at that time. Zapanta steps in, sees action. Manabat takes a rest.
And that is the final lady nung kanilang starting six.
Right.
Serving number 1 for Signal HD Spikers.
Happy ngayon tong mga to.
And now if you're just joining us, you may be wondering, who's on the floor for Petron? Di ba? I mean, parang si Cayetano na lang talaga yung pamilyar na mukha.
Oh.
Well, of course, you've still got Aganon.
Yeah.
I mean, people are now starting to recognize Mishek, and at the same time, you know,
Yeah.
nandyan din si Cayetano.
Oo.
Not to mention, everybody also knows Zapanta. She's been a local player for quite some time.
Yeah, very good player from Adamson. Mela Tunay takes advantage of the change in players sa Petron. Pero alam mo si Cayetano, very good reception player din yan, ah.
Well, she was one of the stars of Ateneo, and that is going to be a mistake that I'm sure Coach Sammy doesn't want at this stage. Alam mo, dito nga sila dapat makapag-rally ng konti.
Oo, kasi second stringers ito who have not seen action for quite some time. So malamig pa sila.
Well, on the other side of the coin, parang itong si Mela Tunay na lang atin yung natitira doon sa kanilang starters.
Oo,
kung
nga.
tutusin mo.
Service save.
They're gonna say that was not a pancake save. Galing kay Eglona. It's now set point. Match point para sa kabunan ng Petron.
Match point.
Alam mo, as a player, kailangan kumapit ka pa rin. Even if you think that you're going to lose already, never say die.
Hermina Acano.
Aganon. Another serve that hits the net. Tikar goes to the opposite end. Tunay tries to send that down. Chance here once again. They look for Tunay. And she will score.
Yan, ganyan dapat. Never say die. You know, ito second stringers na ng Petron na to. Time to take advantage.
Let's score and keep this game alive as long as we possibly can.
Yes.
Serving
Tikar
number
will be serving.
Mary Jane Tikar.
Who will finish it off? Free ball. Cayetano scores!
You know, Cayetano, this is like what, the third time I've seen her end the game with a hit like that. Her hits aren't really strong, pero sobra sa intelligent placing itong si Cayetano. Sa sobrang placing niya, hindi prepared yung receiver ng opponent. Just like what happened again today.
Well, Signal was able to get the first set here. But after that, it was 3 straight sets. Take a look at this. Shot there, coming from Phil, Kainglet, Cayetano. And that does it para sa kapunan ng Petron over Signal here.